25 and welcome to the Anti-Inflammation Kitchen. I'm so excited. It's the start of the year and I'm going to be making gluten-free and dairy-free Korean corn dogs. I'm so excited to start this, and these are the ingredients. Okay, first step, I got these chicken sausages. It's already made. I kept it for 8 minutes with some water. I boiled it down. I put the skewers in here, and now I'm going to keep it to the side. Step 2, I'm going to go ahead and make the batter. I have 2 cups of gluten-free flour going into the bowl. 1 cup and the second cup. Next, I'm going to put half a cup of cornstarch, and I'm going to add that to the flour so this makes sure that the batter is crispy and crunchy. And this is also gluten-free and dairy-free. Next, I got about a 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to pour that into the mixture. Okay, to this I got about a tablespoon of baking powder. I'm going to add that to the mixture. Half a teaspoon of salt to the mixture. Okay, so in place of eggs, I have a flaxseed mixture which I've made in my previous videos. I got 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. I mixed it with a little bit of hot water. I got that. I'm going to add it to the mixture. Okay, to this I'm going to add some dairy-free oat milk. I'm going to use about 1.5 cups of oat milk. You can use almond milk. You can use any milk for this. So I got 1 cup going in. And another half of this going in. Okay. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and mix this all together in a clockwise direction. Okay, and so I have my nephew helping me, and we're going to be putting the batter into this cup.
Okay, hold it up there.
Okay, just kind of slowly.
And this is what your consistency should look like. Okay, so now with your fully cooked sausages, you're gonna put them into the batter. And if it overflows, it's okay, but just make sure you have a plate underneath. And then we roll it in the panko. And the panko brand that I'm using right now is gluten-free. And this is what it is. Then when it's completely rolled, you wanna put it into here. And keep on repeating that step.
Okay, now the corn dogs are ready for frying. I'm going to place this on the pan. It's nice and hot, covered with avocado oil, and oh, it's looking delicious. Let me move this to the side since I have 1 more corn dog right here. Okay. Okay, and here's your final product. I'm going to get this out of the pan and it's ready to eat. Okay, now it's time for the taste test, and it's looking so good. Oh wow, it's so good. Nice and crunchy on the outside. There's enough salt in here, so it's perfect. The sausages in here are cooked really well. This is delicious. And a perfect sauce for this will be the banana sauce. It'll be perfect with this hot dog.